Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm your teacher Naveed with the final attack on nouns. In this lesson, we'll be dealing with case, gender, and number of noun. First, the case of noun. The case of a noun depends on the role of a noun in a sentence. There can be three different cases: subjective, objective, and possessive. They are also known as nominative, accusative, and genitive cases, respectively. Let's have a few examples of the case of noun. First, subjective case. Aslam is sleeping. Aslam is the subject of this sentence. And we know that when a noun functions as the subject of a sentence, it's in subjective case. What's subject? Subject is the person or thing about which that sentence is. And this sentence is about Aslam. So Aslam is the subject, hence subjective case. The next sentence, objective case. Farah saw a snake in her garden. Now Farah is the subject of this sentence, saw is the verb, and snake is the object of verb. The object of verb is the person or thing on which the action is being performed. And in this sentence, the action of seeing, saw, is being performed on snake. So it's the object of verb. Garden is the object of preposition. Just like transitive verbs, prepositions also have their objects. Prepositions show the relationship of their objects with other words that precede those prepositions. After every preposition, we'll find a noun or a noun equivalent that will be the object of that preposition. And in this simple prepositional phrase, in her garden, in is the preposition and garden the object of preposition. And since garden is the object of preposition, garden too is in objective case. Both these nouns in yellow color, snake and garden, are in objective case in this sentence. Let's look at the next sentence. Possessive case. The snake was crawling in Farah's garden. Farah's, noun plus apostrophe s. It's used to show the possession of another noun. And in this sentence, it shows the possession of garden. It was Farah's garden. Whose garden was that? It was Farah's garden. The snake is the subject of this sentence, so subjective case. Crawling is the verb. In preposition. Garden, object of preposition. So garden is in objective case, but Farah's is in possessive case because it shows the possession of garden. And now the gender of noun. By gender of noun we mean whether the noun is male or female. Males are masculine and females are feminine. Look at the examples. Man, boy, tiger. They're all masculine because they're all males. Whereas woman, girl and tigress, they're all feminine because they are females. The concept of gender in English language is limited to humans or a few animals. Sometimes a noun refers to a person who could be a male or female. It's not clear. Such nouns are called common gender. Look at these examples. Student, teacher, parent, child. A student can be a male student or a female student, a boy or a girl. Teacher could be a male teacher or a female teacher. So all these words, and there are many more, they are in common gender. Remember that English is not a gender-based language. Most of the nouns in English have no gender at all. They are neither masculine nor feminine. They are neither male nor female. They are neuter gender. Look at these examples. Table, neither male nor female. Chair, neither male nor female. Basically, in English language, the gender of noun doesn't affect verb endings. It doesn't affect other words in the sentence. So it's much easier to learn English as a foreign language or as a second language. Unlike Urdu, where every noun is either masculine or feminine. In Urdu, मेज होता है, कुर्सी होती है. दरवाज़ा होता है, खिड़की होती है. But in English the case is different. A door and window are in neuter gender. They are neither masculine nor feminine. In Urdu, it will be wrong to say खिड़की खुला है या दरवाज़ा खुली है. But in English, the door is open and the window is open. The rest of the sentence is the same. So, gender plays a limited role in English language. Number of noun. By number of noun we mean whether the noun is singular or plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Let's have a few examples. Man is singular. Man means just one man, and man means more than one. Boy, boys. Candy, candies. Box, boxes. The regular method of converting nouns from singular to plural is addition of s or es with the singular noun. But with a small number of words, with a small number of nouns, some other methods are also used. You must consult a good book of grammar for further details. In fact, most of such words were borrowed from other languages, from foreign languages, singular and plural both. The whole set was borrowed from other languages. That's why they are not following the regular method of making plurals in English language. And now the activity time. You have to identify the case of nouns in yellow color. Remember the care that you have to take. Pause the video here. I'm giving you time for that. Pause the video here. Attempt the activity. At the end, you'll find the answer key. Then you'll match your answers with the answer key. Stop here, please. Don't go ahead. Just go back. Attempt the activity first. Don't look at the answer key in advance. And here is your answer key. I hope all your answers are correct. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.